show you a trick today. As you can see, the starter button is all black, and originally it has an S on it. I don't know if you can see it very well, but the buttons are marked so you can figure out what they do. But the white marking in the white stuff inside the S to make it stand down is gone. So we're going to use a white crayon to fix that. Really simple. Take the white crayon and you just fill it in. It'll pack the white wax inside the groove where the, in this case, the S is. And then once it's all packed in there, you take a cloth, wipe off the extra, and it looks like a brand new switch.